Welcome, 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 welcome back to my channel. On today, I want to show you how I make my fabulous Djon Djon rice. If you're not familiar with Djon Djon, this is what it looks like. What you want to do is put some water in a pot, add your dry mushrooms, allow it to come to a boil, turn your stove off, and then let it soak overnight. Okay? And it should give you this beautiful dark color, because this is what we'll be using. It's the liquid, and also all of this dry mushroom flavor is in your liquid. So now we're going to go ahead and strain it. You just pour it in and you strain it. I'm making a mess. Like that. So all of your mushroom, that you can go ahead and throw it out. All right. To our pot, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil. And to my oil, I'm going to add some of my Epis, like that. So I'm not making that much rice, so this should be great. I'm going to allow this to fry. Just allow my oil to get hot. And what I also like to add is some chopped onions and some minced garlic. I already have it in my Epis, but I just like to add extra. I just like the taste of garlic and the smell of garlic and onion. Okay. So we're gonna allow this to cook for about, I would say, a minute or two. Okay, so we're gonna allow it to fry for about a minute or two. And then we'll go ahead and add our other ingredients. Okay, this has been frying for a while. Looking good. Oh, I forgot to mention, off camera, I did add some dry shrimp in here. So now I'm going to season this and just allow this to cook just for a few more minutes. I'm going to use my chicken base. I'm going to use a little bit of adobo. Some fresh black pepper. And we're going to allow this to cook. All right, it's been cooking for a few minutes. So now you want to add your, I'm going to add my cashew. It's looking great, smells fabulous. So now I will go ahead I'm going to go ahead and add my liquid, but I like to strain it just one more time. Just to make sure, see? Just to make sure. And you want to give it a taste and adjust your flavor. It needs some salt, but I'm going to allow it to come to a boil first and give it a taste again before I add any more seasoning. All right, it's been boiling for about a few minutes. So we're gonna give it a stir. And if you notice, I did add a Scotch bonnet in here. So you want to give it a taste and make sure you allow it to come to a boil. So this way all your flavors come together before you add any salt. Okay, it tastes fabulous, but just needs just a little bit of salt. So I'm going to add about this much, maybe just a little more. You want to stir it. See how beautiful this looks. And give it a taste again. It's perfect where it's at. So now we're gonna add our rice. I washed our rice. I'm using a jasmine rice, but you can use whatever rice. You can use parboiled rice. You can use basmati. It's totally up to you. And if you do not know how to make rice without measuring, you could go with a 2-to-1 ratio measurement, okay? Okay, our rice is looking fabulous. So don't want to over stir it. So we're gonna allow the liquid to reduce, and then I'll come back and show you what I do next. The liquid is starting to evaporate. I'm gonna add some butter, and this is optional, and this is non-salted butter because we want to definitely not add too much salt to this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the bottom. Already looking good. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. All right. This has been cooking for about, I would say, 20 to 25 minutes. It's looking fabulous. Let's go ahead and remove our Scotch bonnet. You want to fluff up your rice. Wow. It looks fabulous. It smells fabulous. All right, guys. Here is our fabulous, fabulous, fabulous Djon Djon rice with cashew nuts. It is excellent, excellent, excellent. Very tasty. Do you see how beautiful our rice is? Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Delicious.